Our planet is home to millions of diverse life forms, from microscopic bacteria to massive elephants. All living things share basic needs for survival. Food, for energy and growth. Plants make their own food using sunlight, while animals eat plants or other animals. Water, essential for life processes. Animals drink water, while plants absorb it from the soil. Air, for breathing. Organisms exchange gases with the environment, taking in oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. Shelter, provides protection from weather and predators. Most life forms need a suitable temperature to survive. Sunlight is crucial for plants to produce food. By understanding these fundamental needs, we can appreciate the complexity and interconnectedness of life on Earth.